Many things have changed already, but one thing will remain. We'll always be here for you through music, entertainment, and information that matters. Plus, ilang kalokohan to support you guys. We are your good vibe station, and we're here to stay. Through ups and downs, as you walk through sunshine or better rainy days, we are here for you. Anytime, anywhere. This is your good vibe station, GB 99.1. Now conclude a day of broadcasting activities. This is GB 99.1, a commercial radio station owned and operated by GB Radio's Network Corporation with 5,000 watts transmitting power that operates daily from 5 a.m. to 12 midnight. Authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission, the GB 99.1 station is located at the 4th floor of PG Building, MacArthur Highway, Balibago, Angeles City, Pampanga, Republic of the Philippines. The GB 99.1 transmitter station is situated at the Royal Golf Country Club, Porac, Pampanga. Maintained and operated by the following personnel duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission. Engineer Erwin Villegas Galang with the ECE number 10845. Mr. Elmer Buasa, first-class radio telephone operator with license number 24881. Mr. Ener Julio, first-class radio telephone operator with license number 971. PIII. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. This is GB 99.1, your good vibes. Now, signing off.
Bayang magiliw, dalas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiin, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw. May dilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw niya, kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng walhati pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Bye.